Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, September 23rd. No trades for me today. I just recorded an hour and a half, or an hour of me pre-market and everything, and I'm not gonna upload that because that is so fucking boring, bro. I'm gonna show you guys what the fuck I was looking for and why I didn't take it. So I was bullish to London highs. We had London highs above us and all-time highs, right? Overnight, I don't know why the indicator isn't loading. Alright, ignore that. Indicator isn't loading, but this is London highs, right? Overnight, we tapped into this 4-hour gap, right? And we are chopping around, but we're still respecting it, right? Our draw is London highs. Coming closer to market open, we could see we had this 5-minute order block and 5-minute fair value gap. I wanted to see price tap into this gap and close above this 3-minute bearish order block, giving us a bullish 3-minute CISD. This is what I wanted. A closure here to enter long to London highs. On Nasdaq, we got chop and a dump to London lows. I don't know why my indicator isn't loading, ignore that. But on Nasdaq, we got a dump to London lows. On ES, we actually just got a pump to the upside. If you look at market open, 9:30, market only went up from 9:30. On Nasdaq, London highs, London lows. All right, we swept London lows. These lows, I was aiming for London highs, right? If we look at the market did, when market opened on Nasdaq, we literally chopped in a range for the 5 minutes and then shit the bed. When Nasdaq is in a downtrend and ES is in an uptrend or vice versa, it is not worth it to trade. Price action is going to be shit. If the two assets that are supposed to be correlated are uncorrelated, don't trade. That is your sign to not fucking trade. I took no trades today, like actually zero. I took a trade in Asia on my evals. I can show you guys that. During Asia, I made 1,000 on my evals. With Alpha, best firm in the fucking game. That's that. Besides that, dude, this is some of the worst price action I've had to sit through in a very, very long time. Shorts were not valid just because ES was in an uptrend, right? ES was literally pushing up to London highs. Shorts, I do not believe shorts were valid. Yes, there was a bearish SMT at London highs, but I didn't like shorts here. Potentially at 9:34 after this 1-minute CISD. This isn't terrible. Or sorry to this, so I don't know why that was marked out. This isn't terrible. I don't mind it. It's just not the best, obviously. And ES has just been pumping all day. I think it's finally got a retrace. This is just very poor price action. Untradeable. It's not very tradable. Unless I were to catch like a small scalp here for a winning day, but like no, this is very bad. 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. I'm not trading this. Sitting today out and waiting for tomorrow. Hopefully we get a better trade tomorrow. But this is honestly some of the worst price action I have seen in a very, very long time. This is actually insane. Right? I mean, at this point in time, 9:34, we got a 5-minute inverse. Yeah, we had a 5-minute inverse, 5-minute CISD, SMT at London highs. This is actually a good short. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see all of this. This is a good short right here. Besides this, quite literally nothing else. If we take a look at 9:34 on ES, you can see price literally went up. At 9:34, price literally went up. That's why I didn't like it. ES was not correlated. I was staring at this shit the whole time. But yeah, very uncorrelated assets. Safe day to stay away from the markets. If you guys have any questions about why I didn't take a trade or a trade you took and want me to review it, please let me know in the comments. I will be there to answer. Hope you guys have a great fucking day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.